welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought a new updates regarding faculty recruitment in different colleges. So the first college is National Institute of Advanced Manufacturing Technology. Earlier it was called as National Institute of Foundry and Forge Technology, NIFT, Hatia in short, it also known as. So they are given notification for recruitment of assistant professor on contract basis, uh, purely on temporary basis with consolidated salary. Any candidate without PhD, they will be given as first year 57,700, second year 59,400, and third year 61,200. And with PhD, first year 64,900, second year 66,800, and third year 68,800. So now which departments has vacancy for faculty? So the first department is applied science and humanities. The area of PhD specialization must be applied mathematics, number theory, mathematical modeling, statistics, and operational research. Total number of post vacant is 2. So anyone having MSc or integrated MSc with 60% or 6.575 CGPA and PhD in preferred area of specialization, then they can apply in this department. Next department is foundry technology. The area of specializations are casting design, methoding of casting, modeling and simulation in casting, near net shape casting, foundry tools and die manufacturing, latest application of CAD CAM software, heat treatment of metal and alloys. So anyone having BE Tech or BS and MEM Tech and MS, both degree must be in metallurgy, metallurgical and material engineering, material science and engineering, mechanical engineering or production engineering, production and industrial engineering, manufacturing engineering or industrial engineering or foundry and forge technology with 60% or 6.75 CGPA. So if then they can apply. So mainly here PhD in preferred area of specialization is desirable. Means master degree holder means MEM Tech or MS holder can apply, but if sufficient number of PhD application PhD candidate application will be found, then they will be considered. Third is material and metallurgical engineering. The preferred area of PhD specialization, process metallurgy, extractive metallurgy, iron and steel making, non-ferrous extraction, mechanical metallurgy, fracture mechanics and failure analysis. Total number of vacant posts are 3. So anyone having BE Tech and BS and MEM Tech and MS, both degree in metallurgical engineering or material and metallurgical engineering with 60% or 6.75 CGPA, so they can apply, but PhD in preferred area of specialization is desirable. Next is electronics and computer engineering. Here there are two. First one, discrete mathematics, linear algebra, number theory, graph theory are the area of specialization. Total number of posts 1. If anyone having MSc in mathematics or statistics or MS statistics with 60% or 6.75 CGPA and PhD in preferred area with formal coursework in statistics and probabilities, then they can apply. Next one, compiler design, computer architecture, computer graphics, data structure and algorithm, internet of things, operating system and data analytics. Total number of vacant posts are 3. If anyone having BE Tech or BS and MEM Tech or MS in having both degree in computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering with 60% or 6.75 CGPA and having PhD in preferred area, so they can apply. Reservation rule as per government, it will be considered. So anyone who want to apply here, so they can download the application form from the institute website or may write to recruitment@nift.ac.in to get the same by mail. Fill in the application form and sign all pages and at appropriate places marked for same. Scan the filled and signed application as a PDF file and attach the scanned copy of all required supporting document regarding educational qualification, experience, date of birth, etc. and Aadhaar card as single PDF. So what you have to do, you have to fill the application form and scan that. Along with that, you also have to scan all the educational certificates, experience certificates, Aadhaar card, everything in a single PDF, and you have to send it by mail, recruitment@nif.ac.in. It should be reached before 20 January 2022. So institute reserves the right to increase or decrease the number of vacancy. It all should be noted. Appointment will be given initially for 1 year, which may be extended for second and third years, subjected to requirement of position and satisfactory performance of incumbent. Recruitment is a stopgap arrangement purely on temporary basis and contractual faculty. So appointed shall have no claim for regular appointment. So if you get selected here, so you can't claim for regular appointment. They can remove you at any time after a contractual period over. The contract may be terminated at any time by either side by giving 1 month notice to other side. All the supporting documents are mandatory to be attached in the PDF along with Aadhaar card. Safety measure and protocols shall be always followed in the view of the list of eligible candidate and date of interview will be uploaded on the institute website tentatively on 31st January 2022. So who will apply here can attend the interview after 31st January. They will give the notice, but the list will be published on 31st January 2022. The next college is Sundardeep Group of Institution. They are inviting application for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor for BTech, CSC, IT, ME, EC, EE, Civil, for management, having for BBA, MBA, BCA, MCA, or BCom, law, BA, LLB, and LLB. Also for polytechnic and hotel management, architecture for BArch and MArch, career counselor, having soft skill trainer. Then pharmacy, having a specialization in pharmacology, pharmaceutical chemistry, and pharmacognosy. Science and humanities also having vacancy for physics, English, mathematics, political science, economics, and history. So you have to send your resume to cv@sundardeep.ac.in. Next college is Trinity Institute of Innovation in Professional Studies. It is in Noida. They are having requirement for principal, HOD, professor, and professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in the department BTech, CSC, IT, and EC, BBA, BCA, BA, JMC, PLLB, and in math, physics, in English, economics, and humanities. Also required assistant registrar, HR manager, marketing manager, executive counselor, TPO, web design, digital media executives, and lab technician. So here candidate with PhD NET will be preferred. So you have to apply within 7 days to chartrinity.gn@gmail.com or hr@tips.ac.in. Next college is Srimati A. Syamala Devi Degree College for Women affiliated to Osmania University, Telangana. They have requirement for principal. Eligibility for that, PG with minimum 55%, PhD is essential, having administrative experience are preferred, only lady candidates need to be apply. They having also requirement for lecturer in mathematics, data science, applied nutrition, and biotechnology. Eligibility for that is NET, SLATE qualified with MPhil and PhD preferable, PG with minimum 55% in the concerned subject. So you have to do what you have to do. You have to apply to Secretary Srimati A. Syamala Devi Degree College for Women and send your resume to college mail Syamala Devi Degree College 115@gmail.com before 20th January 2022. So that's all about today's update. You share it with your friends who need faculty like jobs. And if you are visiting my channel first time, subscribe it as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a nice day.